Welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to give only 7 problems in states of matter. Okay. Now let us see the first question in this chapter. So you have so many problems are there. Just first you just memorize all the formulas. Okay. So you can able to manage if any questions coming from the chapter, you can able to answer them. Okay. First question is 600 cc of gas at a pressure of 750 millimeter is compressed to 500 cc, taking the temperature to remains constant. The increase in pressure is dash. That's the question. Okay. Option A 250 millimeter, option B 150 millimeter, option C 350 millimeter, option D 450 millimeter. Okay, right. We have one formula for this. Just apply this formula. Second one, a mixture of N2 and argon gases in a cylinder contains 7 gram of N2 and 8 gram of argon. If the total pressure of the mixture of the gases in the cylinder is 27 bar, the partial pressure of N2 is dash. Okay, atomic mass is given for nitrogen and argon. Okay, right. Option A 9 bar, option B 12 bar, option C 15 bar, option D 18 bar. Next one. Third question. Two gases A and B having the same volume diffuse through a porous partition in 20 and 10 seconds. Okay. The molecular mass of a gas A is 49 U. This is called unified mass. Okay. The molecular mass of B will be dash. Okay. Option A 50 U. U means unified mass. B. Option B 12.25 U. Option C 6.5 U. Option D 25 U. Okay. So you have formula, Gregham's law of diffusion. If you know this, you're able to solve them. Okay. Fourth one, by what factor does the average velocity of a gaseous molecule increase when the temperature is double? That's a question. Okay. Option A 2.0, option B 2.8, option C 4.0, option D 1.4. Next one. Fifth one, 50 ml of hydrogen diffuse out through a small hole of vessel in 20 minutes. The time taken by 40 ml of oxygen to diffuse out is dash. Okay. Option A 32 minutes, option B 64 minutes, option C 8 minutes, option D 12 minutes. Next one. Sixth one. The temperature of a gas is raised from 27 degrees Celsius to 927 degrees Celsius. The root mean square speed of the gas is dash. A remains same, B gets root of 927 by 27 times, option C gets off, option D gets double. Okay, right. Seventh question. What is the density of N2 gas at 227 degrees Celsius and 5.00 atmosphere pressure? R value is given, gas constant value. So you have one formula. You just apply this formula, you can get answer. Option A 1.40 gram per ml. Option B 2.87 gram per ml. Option C 3.41 gram per ml. Option D 0.29 gram per ml. So these are the 7 questions. Okay. So the next day I will give the solution for all the 7 problems. Okay. Thank you, students.